Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chef Lebo. So namhlanje sizosenza ama spinach and cottage cheese. I think, yeah, cottage cheese pinwheels. So these are absolutely great as a starter or ama canapes. If you're having like a little finger food vibe, you can just, and they're so easy to make. Mawuthanda imfino, you can make this. So asingene in the video.
So I used 4 cups of spinach, which I think was a bit too much, so you can just reduce, yeah, if
So guys, I have just preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then my puff paste Julana. And to be honest, I am just winging this. I know. I'm so but I hope zohamba kakuhle. This thing it thick my heart. Now I'm confused. No. I think this thing should be fine. Yeah. Don't judge me, guys. Don't judge. Okay. I'm used to the long puff pastry, so this one if it done in there. I'm adding sauce everything. I can and so we're gonna roll it this way around. Yeah, well, yeah. My mixture. Ooh. So I don't know if you spread the yonkin down or just I think yonkin down. So it might be thick. Cha. Ooh. Ooh. I think that's even enough. I think. Oh, I love green. Ah, basil green is just. Yeah. Then now we roll. Start from the back. Oh, is it too much? Okay, should I roll like that then? Or should I roll this first? Oh, guys. Yeah, this is not. Maybe it was too much filling. Yeah. I think I should have rolled it first though. Oh! Like, it keep feeling like extra. We just gonna go with it. Ooh, this thing is not long. Ooh. Disaster. Yeah. Okay. Disaster. Like, but sizzle either anyway. I think I should have rolled it out so that it's a bit wider. Or should I freeze it first? Okay. Ooh, the layers, honey. So it put me there. I'll show you guys how I let's make them a bit thicker. So very gentle. This is a bit tricky. Okay, now this one came out nicer. So uzoibeka kanje kwi-tray lakho. Yeah, so that you can see the filling. Chef Lebo signing off.